In a protected habitat, a mature deer naturally sheds its antlers. Workers collect the fallen antlers, ensure ethical practice supports conservation while harvesting a renewable resource.
Okay, start unloading the first group. Keep them moving steadily. Good. Guide them toward the center of the pen. All clear, they're settling in well.
Let's begin the inspection on these new arrivals.
Scanning the tag now, ID 045.
Good, check the monitor for vitals.
All clear, they're cleared.
Automated stations provide fresh water to the bighorn herd. The animals drink calmly, their thirst quenched. Workers inspect the systems, ensuring optimal. Modern technology supports sustainable wildlife care.
Easy now, let's get you cleaned up. He's so calm. The antlers look good. All set? He looks great. Let's start the ultrasound on this one.
Vitals are stable. I'll prep the scanner.
Good image. Heart rate is steady at 65. Confirmed. Moving to the next deer.
In a wildlife reserve, a horned deer begins to grow its antlers as spring arrives. Over the summer, the antlers brantly, but by winter, the antlers are fully grown and shed their velvet, a cycle of natural strength. In a managed wildlife reserve, healthy bone deer begins to allow the antlers to grow rapidly. Summer warmth tracks, and by spring, new buds will emerge.
Density is reading 0.8 grams per cubic centimeter.
Scanning for structural integrity now. The results are updating.
98.7% integrity.
Excellent. Moving on to the next.
This smooth one goes to Eyewear. This piece is premium grade. Sorting complete, ready for the next stage. Chamber 1 is stable at 50 degrees. Moisture curve is dropping steadily.
Looks good. We'll be ready for the next batch soon. Lens edging is complete.
Perfect. Ready for insertion. Alignment looks good.
Confirmed. Passing to inspection.
The antler frames show excellent symmetry. Let's check the bridge width.
Agreed. Measuring now, the reading is 1450 millimeters within tolerance. The fit feels natural and secure.
A luxury product indeed. Production focus shifts toward comb manufacturing. Selected antler sections entering specialized cutting department. Industrial workflow transition. Detailed documentary visuals. Checking each tooth for even spacing and a flawless surface. The caliper confirms the pitch is 0.50 millimeters. Good. Now let's use the magnifier for the surface finish. Approved. Finished combs undergo rigorous strength and durability testing in a quality assurance lab. A testing machine applies repeated stress, flexing the combs meet high standards for resilience and quality.